Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to make a mini frittata. Frittata is a kind of Italian egg dish. Looks a little bit like a quiche. You can eat it any time of day, warm or cold. So a great snack in between when you're feeling hungry. Let's begin. To begin, preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab a courgette, also known as zucchini, and a paprika, one of those pointy ones. If you cannot find one, you can also use a bell pepper. You need about half of each for this recipe. Cut both the courgette and the paprika in small parts, very small parts. Any leftovers you can save in your fridge for another meal. For the next step, grab a big bowl and crack 3 medium eggs into it. Add your vegetables to the egg. Together with some pepper and salt to taste. A little bit of thyme. And a mixture of Italian herbs. Now I got a pre-made mixture, but for those who cannot find the pre-made mixture, I will put the recipe to make your own in the description of this video. About a teaspoon should be enough. Grate some young cheese through your mixture. The amount you use is up to you, but I like a good amount of cheese in my food. And now mix everything together. Maybe I should have made my vegetables a little bit smaller. Oh well. Next up, grab a cupcake shape or a muffin shape, depends on you, and grease it all up with a little bit of butter. Divide your mixture over your greased up shape as best as you can manage. Put everything in the oven for 15 minutes. And there you go. Easy mini frittatas. Nice egg and vegetable taste. Soft with a little crunch of the vegetables, of the courgette. Flavorful. Spices really add a lot. Very good. You can store your frittata in the fridge when they've cooled down for a few days. Or you can eat them as they are. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.